Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying where photos were removed. Check the OS Trash, iCloud, Google Photos, or any backup app. This tells you which restore path to use. Once you know the source, pause syncing and backups on that device to avoid overwriting recoverable data. Then sign into the related account on a desktop. It gives you fuller tools and logs. You are taking control. This first step prevents further loss and prepares recovery without guesswork. Now perform the actual recovery. On device or web, open recently deleted or trash, select the photos, and tap Restore. This undoes the automatic delete when available. If files were removed from cloud storage, inspect that account's trash or version history. Many services keep items for 30 to 60 days. Once found, restore to originals and download copies to local storage. Use desktop recovery tools to handle bulk restores or export originals for redundancy. This step gets your images back where you control them. If trash is empty, move quickly to file recovery software or card recovery tools, run them on the device or remove the SD card and image it first. You should also search all backups, local drives, Time Machine, Google Takeout, or any exported archive, because automatic deletion might not affect older copies. Once done, restore files to a safe backup location and re-enable controlled sync. If recovery fails, contact the service provider with exact timestamps and account ID so they can check server-side retention. That single tip often helps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.